Unlock the potential of your business with Stripe, the payment platform that makes transactions effortless. Whether you are selling products, services, or subscriptions, Stripe empowers you to accept payments from around the globe. Imagine a world where you can focus on your passion while Stripe handles the heavy lifting of payment processing. Setting up your account is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to turn your ideas into revenue. Don't wait, let's get started and watch your business thrive. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a Stripe account. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into stripe.com. This is the home page as you can see. So what is Stripe? Stripe is a technology company that provides a suite of payment processing tools and services for online businesses. It enables companies to accept payments over the internet, manage subscriptions, handle fraud prevention, and facilitate various financial transactions. Although a user-friendly interface and robust APIs designed for developers and businesses of all sizes. Stripe aims to simplify the complexity of online payments and help businesses grow. So if you want to sign up, all I have to do is just come back in the top here and then you click over start now. You can also write your email address firstly and you click over start now. But if you want to get started and create an account, you have just to click over sign in and you'll find here how you can sign up. First of all, here we have in the Stripe, get started quickly, integrate with developer-friendly APIs or choose low-code or pre-built solutions. Then we have support in business model, e-commerce, subscription, SaaS platform, marketplace, and more. Then we have here join millions of businesses. Stripe is trusted by ambitious startups and enterprises of every size. So you have just to write your email address and your full name, you choose your country, then you write your password and you click over here, you get emails from Stripe about product updates, industry news and events. You can unsubscribe at any time. Then you click over create an account and you will find this page. So this is the home page, but you have to verify your email address. You have just to write over open Gmail and you will find this. Thanks for creating a Stripe account. Verify your email so you can get up and running quickly. You have just to click over verify email and then you will find the home page. So here we have the home page as you can see. So right now you have just to continue activating payments. The first step tells us more about your business to get started. So you click over continue activating and you will find this page. First of all, you have just to link the information of these 5 steps. The first one, we have firstly business type. You will write your business location. I will choose your location and the business type to get started. We have the business location, type of business. Then you have if you have not filed paperwork to register as a business entity. Then your business type is likely to be individual, not sure. Option to select refer to this support. Then you click over continue and you will find personal details. So we have here verify your personal details. You have here this information is collected to verify your identity, keep your account safe and help meet legal and regulatory requirements. For more information, consult the privacy policy. Firstly, we have a legal first name, legal last name, then we have here email address, date of birth, then we have here home address, like you have here United States, and you write your street address, also your apartment, city, state, and then you have here zip code and your phone number. And we are required here to collect this information to satisfy regulatory obligations. Then you click over continue. Then you have here the third one, which is business details. About this one, you have to tell us about your business. This information is collected to better understand and serve your business. Then we have industry. Then we have your business website, product description. Have you provide a 1-2 sentence description? Make sure to note when you typically charge your customers. We have here this helps us better understand your business. Then you click over continue. Then we find here public details. For this one, you add public details for customers. You have statement descriptor. You have to select the custom, your business name. Then we have also shortened descriptor, the custom and the business also. And you write your customer support phone number. Then you link the customer support address. Like we have United States, street address, apartment, you have city, state, zip code, then you click over continue. Then we have here add your account, add your bank, select an account for payouts. Then you have add extras, automate tax collection on your sales, understand when, where, and how much tax to collect on all of your transactions. Here you select your product category, then you click over continue, or you can just click skip for now. Then you find here climate contributions, show customers your climate commitment. You have say your commitment, one here or this one. Then you have start contributing after my business has posted. Then you write here the revenue with Stripe. This is area of revenue with Stripe. Then you click over continue with 1.5%. Then you have here if you don't want, you click over no thanks. And the last one, which is revenue and finish. You can just edit the information that you already link with add extra secret account at your bank, verify your business also. And then you click over agree and submit. Then if we come back here, so you'll find the home page here. So after signing up for your Stripe account, the first step is to verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to inbox. Next, log into the dashboard and complete your profile by adding your business information, including your bank account details for payouts. Then configure your preferred payment methods to decide how you want to accept payments from customers. Integrate Stripe with your website or app using the provided APIs or plugins. And test your setup in test mode to ensure everything functions properly. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments and monitor your transactions through the dashboard for ongoing insights. So here we have balances also, like we have overview here, all activity, top apps, payouts, and you have your transactions if you want to create your payment. You have to choose invoice, payment link, subscription, manual payment. And then you have your customers. If you want to add a customer, click over here and write your name, account email, description, then you click over add customer. Then you have product catalog. If you want to create a product, you have just to click over here and you write your name, description also. Then you upload the image requiring one off. We have amount and we have billing period monthly, or you select daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or every 3 months, every 6 months, or custom. Then we have your more pricing options. Then you select your unit quantity, and then you click over add product. Then we have also other options here such as payments, billing, and we have reporting also, and we have more. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.